Hello guys, and welcome to my 32 video tutorial. And finally in this video I'm going to show you how to start doing a search engine application for to our test site, CRUD test site. Okay guys, so let's start right away and open Notepad++. And to start we need a new file. Okay, so we are going to create a new file called, we can save now this as save as, and let's say search.php. Okay, so save that, and let's start coding. So to start, I'm gonna build a simple HTML page. So let's do all the tags here that we need. And the body, close body. Okay. And inside the body, we are going to create a form. Okay. So form method equals, and in this case we are going to use the get method, and action. Action is where we want to send the values to process in the file, where we will have a script to process that. And in this case I'm going to show you how to process the values that we send in from the form in the same file. Okay, so the script is going to be in the same file that is the form. Okay, so this is the file search.php. We will have a form here, and in the same file at the end of the body I'm going to show you how to put the script. So the script itself will run in the same file of the form. Okay, so until now we did the form in one file, and then the form would post the values into other file where the script was to process those values. But in this file, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do all in the same file. Okay, why? Because I want to echo the results in the same page where the form is. Okay, but you'll see that how it works later on. Okay, in the video. So to start, let's type in the action. So the file search.php is where the form is, and the action is the same file. So let's type search.php. Okay, so now you can close this, and here let's type an input type equals text, and here let's type a name, and the name is going to be search. Okay, and close that, and now another input, and the other input is going to be a submit button, and the name of that is going to be submit as well, and let's give it a value. The value, which is whatever you want to appear in the button written, is going to be, let's type search database. Okay, you can close that, and here let's close the form. Okay, so that's it. Let's save this. Let's open this and see how it's presented. But before that, go to links.php, and in here I'm going to make a new link. Okay, which is the link that will take us to the page, this page that we are building now, the search.php. So in here we have to type search search.php. Close that, and let's type here search user, and in here we can close this. Let's save this, and let's open this now in the browser. Make sure you have your XAMPP connected with your MySQL database, and also start your Apache server. And in here, let's type localhost aside home. There it is. Enter, and you see we have a new entry here. Search a new link with saying search user. If I click that, this is what we are building right now. Okay, so we have an input, a little input, and a search button. If I click that, nothing happens. Okay, let's center this a little bit more. So to do that, let's put here after body and before form, let's type here center, and also after the form, close center. Save this. Let's refresh, and there it is. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna type here another thing, which is after center. In here, let's type HR. Okay, and HR is this line here. Okay, so the results, when we search something and I click here, I want the results to appear right away in here. Okay, in the same page. I don't want to be sent to another page. I want the results to appear here, like for example Google engine. Okay, when it searches the web. So let's go and start doing our PHP. Okay, so to start doing the script in the same page, we only have to open with the symbol, with the PHP symbol. Okay, and type PHP here, and you can close it here. Okay, so in here will go the script. Okay, and you can put this inside your body, or here outside the body. It doesn't matter. Okay, as long as it is in the same page. Okay, in the same file. Okay, search.php. So let's process the values that we have to type, whatever values we type in here, and to search our database. So to start, we have to type if, and now we're gonna make an if statement saying make sure that you pressed, when you press the submit button, which is this one, you search the database. Okay, so you perform whatever code you have to perform. So we do that, we make sure of that typing if, and inside the parentheses we type is set. Is set means that you clicked, or the button was clicked. So is set the button, and the button, as you all know, is the variable request and square brackets, and here we have to type the name of the button, which is submit. Okay, submit. Perfect. And now we open it here, square curly braces and close curly braces, and we can type here the else statement, and in here else, and in here we can type already something, an echo saying, let's say for example, please type any word. Okay, let's save this, and let's make here this, and that's it. Let's go up here and start doing the code inside the code that we want to process. Okay, if we click the button, the submit button. So here we need to give some variables. The first variable is going to be search, and this search variable is going to be equal to the get global variable, which is basically the same as the post that we already used, but instead we're using get because the for method is get. Okay, so this value, whatever value we type in the box and the input box, it will be sent or by the get method, the get variable. So let's type here get, and in here we type the name, which is search, right? It's search. So whatever we typed, we get that value of those words, whatever words we type with the search variable. Okay, so the next one is going to be terms equals, and this is a new function built in PHP that we didn't talk about this before. We didn't used it before, which is the explode function. Okay, and this is a built-in function in PHP. What it does is whatever we type in here. Okay, so if I type, let's say Victor and John and hello and yo, okay, different words. The explode will take this as a sentence and will make an array with each word, okay, separately. Okay, so it will make an array with Victor, another word John, another hello, in yo. Okay, and if we continue, it will make an array with each and every word we type, even if we type 100 words. Okay, so this is very used in search engines. Okay, so explode, and inside the parentheses we type where we want to separate the words. So we want to separate them when we give a space. Okay, so we have to give it a space here between the double quotes, comma, and now we type the variable search in here. Okay, so because this is to the explode function to know what do we want to explode, basically. Okay, which is the values of the get search, the values that we put in here. Okay, so the next variable is query equals, and in here let's type the basic select syntax from to choose the values of the database, which is select all. This star symbol means all. Select all from the table users that we have in the database, where, and space, and finish there. Okay, normally we put where name equals name variable name or something like that. Okay, but we're gonna end this here. Okay, just put the semicolon at the end, and let's go on. In here you can type, we're gonna do for each statement. Okay, and in this for each statement we have to type, before we type, let's give a value of I equals 0. Okay, and now let's do the for each. But before I do that, I just want to say, guys, that I'm running out of time in this video, so this is going to be a two-part video, and let's leave the rest for the second video. Okay, so see you guys in the next video, and see you guys later. Bye.